Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to add a favicon to your funnel or site in Gohighlevel. A favicon is a small icon that appears in browser tabs, helping your brand look more professional and recognizable. On the Gohighlevel dashboard, all we need to do is click on Sites. In your funnels, find your funnel or site, then click on the three dots and select Edit. Once we are in the Edit section, go to Settings, and here we will see the favicon URL. We can replace this by opening a new tab and searching for favicons. Choose a website that you prefer. For example, the Icons 8 website. This is where we can find the right favicon for Gohighlevel. Once we have found one we like, right-click on it and copy the image address. Then, simply delete the old URL and paste in the new one we just copied. Then hit Save. And that is how we add a favicon to a funnel or site in Gohighlevel.